Right, we're venturing to the nature reserve. Eh, venturing with Ate Nene. We haven't here for many years because this was closed for several years. I think they renovated this bridge. But today, since it's a beautiful day, we decided to come back here. And my walking buddy, Ate Nene. See all the flowers. It's springtime. Yeah. Yeah, they renovate this, Ate Nene. This reminds me of Ron. We used to walk here. Oh. Yeah. Here's the mimosa. Sayang si Muga. Kaya lang kasi si Munggo sumunod sa amin eh.
Yan ang nga, pagka ano, baka mainit si Munggo, akala niya malapit lang yung...
Kaya nga eh.
Sana kung may list lang din siya.
Munggo. I like this. I like it. I like walking here. Dati giba-giba ito eh. So ito yung ni-repair nila. Maski tong handle niya dati eh. Yung hawakan dati giba din yan eh. That's why they closed this
Hazard na sa safety.
I wanna walk to the nature reserve at the back of the house. But somebody told me, be careful, maybe there's a crocodile in there.
Human crocodile or crocodile.
So this is the big part that they repair. You can notice all the woods are new. Ano na to, putol na to dati, hanggang doon lang ang nalalakaran na eh. Kaya isinara nila. But it's really nice that the government had decided to repair this because it's really nice to walk here. Especially summer is just around the corner.
Actually, first day of spring.
Malapit na tayo sa ilalim ng tulay.
Memories. Oh, ang dami kong memories dyan.
Absolutely. Tayo. Diyan ako nakaranas ng unang lait.
Diyan ka dinala ni Emily.
Oo, actually, yes. Dahil nakapaglaro siya eh.
What is that?
May natapakan lang akong damo. Siyadong nervyosa.
Wala pa naman akong dala.
It's really nice. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, beautiful. Jungle. This is to jungle. Look at that. That's why they called it nature reserve, because you cannot walk there. That's why they build this walk path here. So you don't go to the trees and other plants. You don't disturb them.
The wildflower.
Oh, that's beautiful. I remember the first time that Ron and I walked here. There's so many raspberry here, the wild one. And it's in full bloom. We walk here 9 o'clock in the evening, but it was really sunny. Layo na nilakad namin ni Ate Nene. Pero walang tubig dito ngayon ha. Dati may tubig ito eh. Ha? Pero spring pa lang eh. Dapat may tubig pa sana ito.
Deeper. We go deeper.
Kung sinama ko si Mugo at si Munggo, baka nagtalon-talon na si Munggo dito sa mga puno.
Hindi na hindi mo mahahabol.
Ang lalaki ng pako, oh.
At hindi mo mahahabol.
Ay, oo.
Oh? Oh. Yes.
That's the bridge over there. Ang layo ng nilakad natin ah. Ano nga ulit yung pangalan ng girl na na-meet natin?
Eileen.
Eileen.
Saan ka? Nakurti pa ng face ni Eileen.
Chinita siya.
Santa Cruz na din.
Buti naman nakatagpo na mabait na amo.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Look at all these wildflowers. Ito ang ilalim ng tulay. Alaala ng lumipas. Nandito ulit kami sa ilalim ng tulay.
nakapag-misa pati si Monsignor Reyes.
Ah?
Monsignor Reyes, nakapag-misa. Yeah. Ang galing. Yeah. Dito may nakapwesto. Diyan.
Ah, may nag-iihaw.
May tao.
Makikain tayo.
Walang tao.
Sila yata yung nagbabangka eh. Baba tayo dito sa tubig, Ate Ne.
On the left.
Ate Ne,
Yeah.
ikaw makipag-usap, Ate Ne. Hola. Baka makahuli tayo isda. Nagluluto na sila ng kanilang nahuli, Ate Ne.
Pinamanong yung tatay ni Barbet. Manong Ay, sabihin ko, kikalado. Nando, punta ulit tayo. Dito, nag-i-stocking si
Aba, wala yung mga seagulls ngayon ah.
Daming tubig ngayon,
Oo.
Madami.
Hindi rin. Dati hanggang dyan eh.
No, di ito. Ganyan. Marami na ito. Nanalo na.
Ate Ne, kausapin mo nga. Oh, nakatingin sa akin. Tanungin mo, Ate Ne, kung marami silang huli. Si Maricar, yung nadaan na namin mga namimingwit, lahat kinausap eh. Ah, nag-iyaw sila baboy, Ate Ne. Ah,
Isa tayo.
Oo. Hola. ¿Está bien? ¿Mucho pescado? ¿Mucho pescado?
No, todavía no, nosotros llegamos. Llegamos ahora.
Todavía no pescamos nada.
Nada.
Chorizo nomás. No, todavía no.
Nada.
¿Qué? ¿Cuánto hora aquí?
No, un ratito, media hora.
Yeah. Sí, paseando.
Porque antes, años antes, muchos filipinos, ese es nuestro sitio, día jueves y domingo.
Sí, antes aquí mucho Pilipino aquí.
Sí, hay menos ahora. Ahora y menos.
Ahora nada.
Cambiado.
Ha cambiado.
Nosotros somos de Uruguay.
Uruguay.
¿Conocen Uruguay?
You speak English?
No, we don't speak English, but I do.
You speak English. You speak good English.
And, what?
Brother or father?
No, my grandpa.
Abuelo.
Yeah, my grandpa. Yeah, well,
Abuelo. Lovely time, lovely time. Abuelo con nieto.
yeah, with his
Sige.
I forgot.
Qué tranquila.
¿Dónde vive?
Yeah, we live at Estepona.
Estepona. Muy lejos.
Like 30 kilometers, not so long.
I live there at the back of this.
Oh, you come walking.
Yeah, that's why we always walk here.
¿Cuántos años ya? Uruguay.
It's nice to go fishing here.
3 years.
Is it nice to go fishing here or it's better there?
Better for what? To fish?
Yeah.
We never went that way.
Why?
To that side. We always fish right here.
Why?
No, we don't know because I think if you go and fish that side, you have to live there.
No, this one,
Well,
this.
it's all private. I don't know. Is
No,
it private?
no, it's not. Our friends, they always go there.
Sí,
But how do you go in? That way?
Yeah.
Or you have to walk all that way?
No, you drive straight to the runabout, and then there's a road going there. There's a pedestrian. You can go to that area.
Is there more fish that way?
Yeah, it is more.
We were thinking to go with my grandpa that way, so we don't have the bridge right here. So next.
There's more there because that's salt water.
Yeah, the water that comes from the
Yeah.
sea comes in.
Yeah, that's
Salt
right.
water, yeah. So he told me that there's no problem if we go and fish. Right over there.
Nah, as long as you have the license.
Yeah, have it.
Yeah. Yeah, you can go there.
All right, so we already know it for next time that we come.
Yeah.
We don't come here. We go directly that way.
Your grandpa is so relaxed, eh?
What?
Your grandpa is relaxed here.
Yeah, he loves it.
You go fishing in Uruguay as well?
If we go what?
Fishing.
What is it?
You go fishing?
Yeah, my grandpa fished in Uruguay since he was smaller. I mean, like 12 years old.
So he loves doing it.
Yeah, he fished all his life.
todo el año.
Acá muy tranquilo.
Sí.
The difference is that he fished all his life in Uruguay. He knows where to go.
Yeah.
He knows the whole country, and all the places. where
Not
to
like
fish.
here.
Yeah, and right here we don't know where to go. We came right here. We fished like just 1 or 2 times here, and well, there isn't so much fish here.
Allá te la voy a mirar.
Yeah.
And this river, I mean.
La blanca que está ahí.
But if you know the places where to go, yeah, of course.
Lo veo.
There's people in there walking. Bueno, Tine, shall we go?
Música.
Yeah, do you like it? Yeah.
Bueno, señor, good luck. Mucha suerte.
All right, nice to see you. Nice to meet you. Bye.
Bye-bye. Nag-iihaw lang sila ng sausages eh.
Wala isda
Dito na tayo dadaan? O babalik pa tayo doon?
Dito na. Dito na. Tignan natin kung pero bukas ba?
Hindi. Ay, bukas dyan. Oo, nag-ano ako dyan last week eh. Nag-vlog ako dito last week eh.
Yeah, so sari-sari, may sayawan pa.
Very chatty naman yung batang yon, ano. Nakakatuwa naman, lolo't na apo niya na magkasamang namimingwit.
Sasabihin ko sana hindi tatay pero grandpa pa. Tama, bata pa yung bata.
Hindi mo makikilala kung Uruguay o Espanyol kasi pareho itsura eh.
Pero Latin American, gwapo yung bata.
Oo, gwapo siya, may tsura eh. Ito yung daan dati eh, no?
Ayun, paakyat. Dito ang daan na. Saan ba yung paakyat?
Yan nga. Kaya may ganyan eh. Kaya may daan na ganyan yan. Yan yun.
Yan yung, tapos ayan yan yung palmera na yan ng point eh.
Pero yan yung daan papunta doon sa bahay namin dati.
Isa, oo, nasa, ito para sa tulay, sa highway.
So we had a nice walk to the nature reserve. Ito yung sasakyan ng maglolo. Sabi ko doon sila mamangit sa dagat. Mas marami doon. Right. Okay. Bueno. Hanggang dito na lang. Maraming salamat sa pag-view. Adios. Ciao.